Wala. Kinokontra ni Mika. One more. Turn around. Lalabas dito yung card. Ang naggawa niya, 1918, it was Harry Houdini who performed that magic. I'll turn around. Lalabas sa bulsa ko. Do you see the card? Nandyan kanina. Umikot-ikot sa venue. Napunta po sa'yo. Pakicheck mo yung bulsa ko sa kaliwa. Sa likod. Palakpakan po natin. Nandyan po yung card. Nandyan po? Nandyan po? Huwag niyo po kikako pakilabas. Wala po? Dumaan lang dyan, umalis ulit. Dumaan lang. Umalis ulit. One more. Babalik dito. Iikot po ako. 1, 2, 3. Now, do you see the card of Mika? Wala. Pero kung nangyari yun, amazing ba yun? Mahirap yun kahit sa pinitling, di kaya yun. Bakit ka mo? Yung magic na yun, it's the magic of Harry Houdini. He performed that in 1918. So hindi ko kaya yun, sobrang hirap. What if paggawa ni Harry Houdini yun? Amazing ba yun? Kahit patay na siya. Even if he's dead, what if Harry Houdini can still do that magic? Amazing ba yun, guys? Harry Houdini, it's now time to reveal if you can still do magic even if you are already dead. Surprisingly, everybody's attention. Harry Houdini. This is your card. Is that your card? Hindi pa din. Anyway, guys, don't tell me your card. Harry Houdini, I believe in him. Do you believe in him? Do you believe in magic? Pag nagtama na yung magic and wipe it away, wipe the mistake away. How to do that? Wipe it away. Just get a tissue paper, then just wipe everything away. And for the very first time, what was your card? Pay to space. Thank you so much. That is how Harry Houdini performs magic. Maraming salamat sa sobrang for Harry Houdini. It was a moment of magic. Pay to space. Now, hindi ako